Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Natej at Una. I am taking social science. Today I am taking 7th standard SS, the lesson number 7, India location, border area and physiography. This chapter was half over. Now we will start the remaining lesson. Central and Deccan Plateau of India. Means, did you see this map? India plateaus. Okay, the pink border. Did you see this is a pink border? This is the area of plateaus. Okay, uh, the central and the Deccan plateaus lie to the south of the plain of North India. Okay, they are the spread like a triangle surrounding by the water bodies on the three side. Deccan. I will show. This place was say the area of Deccan. Okay, and these borders are surrounding of the plateaus. So this part of the Deccan and this part of Malwa, Malwa and Deccan. Okay. So south, north to south area, it's a plateau area, means of the plateau, and an area of a freely high level ground. यानी ये जो एरिया है वो इस तरह से जो वाटर लेवल से थोड़ा ऊंचाई पर है. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? वाटर लेवल से थोड़ा ऊंचाई पे है. दिस ये वाटर लेवल से थोड़ा ऊंचाई की तरफ है और थ्री साइड ऑफ covered by the water. So it is called a peninsula. Peninsula means land which is covered by the three side of the water. This is from three side. This is covered by the water. Okay, beta. Because Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal and Indian Ocean, these are covered by this plateau area. Okay. It is oldest landmass made of the rocks. The all side have a rocks. The lifted valley of the Narmada and the Shan river are located in the plateau. The Narmada river. See beta, the Narmada river is situated here. Okay. Is from Madhya Pradesh to Gujarat. Is Narmada is situated here, and the Shan river is situated here. So from the it's a these two rivers are main in the plateau. This plateau is a future divided into the two parts. Here is say this is a divided by two parts. First is a Malwa. It's a north part. North part में कौन सा है? मालवा. इसका नाम मालवा है. ओके. एंड द साउथ पार्ट इज द डेक्कन. और ये जो साउथ पार्ट है इसका नाम है डेक्कन. ओके. इट्स अ डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट्स. प्लेटो एरिया जो है वो टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइडेड है. The soil is a plateau is a very fertilizer, but because it's a black, this area yet a variety of the crops, and it also a treasure house of a many minerals. ये जो बेटा जो एरिया है वो ब्लैक सॉइल वाला है, तो ये फर्टिलाइज़र के लिए नॉट वेरी फर्टिलाइज़र के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल नहीं है, बट इसमें जो ब्लैक सॉइल है दे विल बी अ यूज़ for the crops. The black soil is a use for the crops. And one more thing, here is given the word is a treasure means खजाना. यहाँ पे एक मिनरल का खजाना है. ये एरिया में एक मिनरल का खजाना है. मीन्स स्टील, आयरन, कॉइल, ऑल आर इट्स अ मल्टी मिनरल्स. यानी बहुत सारे मिनरल्स यहाँ पे मिलते हैं. ये खजाने के जितना प्लेटो एरिया है. ओके बेटा. कोस्टल प्लेन. In the lesson you was learn about the coastal plain. Coastal plain, our Gujarat also a coastal plain. It's a too much huge coastal line, 1600 kilometer coastal line covered in Gujarat. Okay, so our India is also covered by the coastal line means see our coastal line is too much huge. Okay, ये हमारा coastal line बहुत बड़ी है, approximately 7,517 kilometer. India is surrounded by sea on the all three sides. The coastal line is approximately 7,570 kilometer long. The coastal region is made up made up of the narrow plain. The ocean lies of the one side of the coastal plain, while the peninsula plateau line on the other. Peninsula means it's covered by the three sides of the water. The region lay in the east of the Eastern Ghat is known as the Eastern Coastal Plain. जो इस साइड में है उसे Eastern Coastal Plain बोलते हैं. Okay बेटा, it is a well known as a for the fishing industry. Chennai, Pondicherry, Machipattam and Vishakhapatnam are the well known ports located on the Eastern Coastal Plain. I will see this asking about this line, so it's too much good for the fishing. Okay, mean the Chennai, Pondicherry, these are the main for the fishing. The region lies to the west of the Western Ghat. जो west side में है उसे Western Ghat बोलते हैं. Okay बेटा, ये Eastern Ghat है. This is the Eastern Ghat, और your west side में this is a Western Ghat. So the region lines of the Western Ghat is known as a Western Coastal Plain. It is a narrow than the Eastern Coastal Plain. This area has a black fertilizer soil and the alluvial deposit, which is a conducive to the growth of crops. The Western Coastal Plain is a renowned for its transportation service and the fishing industries. In our Gujarat also lots of fishing industries are there. The major ports and the cities like Mumbai, Kandla, Mangaluru, Calicut and the Tiruppuram are located in this region. That's are ports situated in there. Okay, archipelago means and the एक्सटेंसिव ग्रुप ऑफ आइलैंड, जहाँ छोटे छोटे बहुत सारे आइलैंड मिक्स होते हैं, वैसी जगह को आर्किपेलागो बोलते हैं. ओके बेटा, तो द पीस ऑफ द लैंड स्मॉल दैट इज अ कॉन्टिनेंट से छोटा, और पीस ऑफ लैंड बराबर इट इज अ सराउंडेड बाय द वाटर इज एन आइलैंड, और पूरी तरह से आइलैंड की तरह हो, यानी जो ऐसी प्लेस जो चारों तरफ से पानी से घिरी हुई और छोटे छोटे लैंड पीस हो, पर वो कॉन्टिनेंट ना हो और उसे आइलैंड गिना जाए, उसे आर्किपेलागो बोलते हैं. अ ग्रुप ऑफ द मैनी सच आइलैंड फ्रॉम द आर्किपेलागो. दिस द लक्षद्वीप एंड द मिनिकॉय आइलैंड आर सिचुएटेड इन द अरेबियन सी. ओके, आई शो in Arabian Sea, Lakshadweep. Okay, so these are small islands situated. This is called archipelago. Okay, so in the Lakshadweep island are situated in Arabian Sea towards the west of India. Whenever the Andaman and Nicobar islands is situated into Bay of Bengal towards the east of the India. But here is asking about but a third is a Pondicherry. Pondicherry is situated approximately this side. Pondicherry also there. Sorry, 1 minute. Maybe Pondicherry is okay. Pondicherry is here. So it's called islands. Okay. Desert. The desert of the Rajasthan lay to the west of the Aravalli mountain range. The soil is here is a sandy and the climate is a dry and the unbearable. मीन अनबेरेबल मीन्स यहाँ का जो क्लाइमेट है वो बर्दाश्त न हो सके, इस तरह से है. दैट मीन्स टू मच हॉट बिकॉज द डेजर्ट इज़ अ whenever the sunlight coming on to the desert is become a very hot. So वो बर्दाश्त के रहना, वहाँ रहना बर्दाश्त के बाहर है और वो ड्राई क्लाइमेट है. ओके बेटा. Most of the time these regions are receive less than the 20 centimeter of the annual rainfall. In the whole they have a 20% only rainfall is going on the desert area. Hunch is a force water storage and the remain dry, जिस वजह से पानी वहाँ पे ड्राई हो जाता है और स्टोरेज नहीं हो सकता. ओके बेटा. बैरिन एंड द अनहैबिटेड. बैरिन मीन्स सूखा, सूखा हो जाना. अनहैबिटेड मीन्स रहने के लायक नहीं रहता है वो एरिया, बिकॉज द वाटर इज़ नॉट देयर. सो विदाउट वाटर द एग्रीकल्चर वर्क इज़ नॉट डूइंग. विदाउट वाटर वी कांट लिविंग आवर लाइफ comfortable. So this is a too much facing about the water due to the scarcity of the water. Scarcity means बहुत ही पानी बहुत कम होना. एंड द अनअवेलेबिलिटी टू बेस नेसेसिटी, जो हमें रहने के लिए या ना हम जहाँ पे रह सकते हैं वहाँ पे पानी अगर कम हो तो वो हमारे लिए सेटिस्फैक्शन प्लेस नहीं होगी. दैट्स वाई द पॉपुलेशन ऑफ दिस रीजन इज़ वेरी लेस. यही वजह है कि वहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन बहुत कम होता है. That plant and a caravans pulled by animals are seen in this region. डेजर्ट एरिया में हम दो चीज़ें जो बहुत ख़ास तरीके से देखते हैं. एक डेड प्लांट्स मीन्स खजूर के झाड़, और कैरावान्स जो एनिमल्स कैमल पुल करते हैं, यानी यहाँ से वहाँ, वहाँ से वहाँ, खाना बदोशों की तरह यहाँ से वहाँ जाना. So these two things we have to see in the desert area mostly. North Rajasthan is being irrigated through the river Satluj and the Indra Canal. राजस्थान में, नॉर्थ राजस्थान में कुछ हद तक एरिगेशन होता है, यानी एग्रीकल्चर वर्क होता है, बट सतलुज रिवर से वाटर वहाँ तक का पहुँचता है थ्रू बाय द इंदिरा कैनाल. द कैनाल हैज़ अ सक्सेस इन टर्निंग द एरिया फर्टिलाइजर एंड favorable for the agriculture growth. The kind of the desert is a run of Kutch differ from the desert of Rajasthan desert. The Kutch desert is divided into the two part. Our Kutch has divided into the two part. That is also coming to the desert area in the India. Rajasthan and some area of the Gujarat situated the desert area. Kutch is divided into the two parts, big run and the small run. The soil of the run of Kutch is a highly saline. It appears as if the desert soil is covered with a white sheet. In the 6th standard also you was learn. So at the night look like a white bed sheet. The run of Kutch is look like a white bed sheet. दिस इज़ द ओनली डेजर्ट इट्स काइंड इन द वर्ल्ड. ऐसा डेजर्ट पूरे वर्ल्ड में सिर्फ हमारे ही यहाँ है. सो बेटा स्टेट एंड द आई वॉज टोल्ड स्टेट एंड अबाउट द टेरिटरीज. इंडियन टेरिटरीज आर देयर. फर्स्ट वन अंडमान एंड निकोबार, देयर द आइलैंड्स आर देयर. ओके बेटा. लक्षद्वीप इट्स सिचुएट. अंडमान एंड निकोबार आर सिचुएटेड इन द बे ऑफ बंगाल. I was taught United Territory. Okay. The second was a Lakshadweep. It's situated in Arabian Sea. Chandigarh, Dadar and the Nagar Haveli. It's situated in Vapi. Daman and Diu, Delhi, NCR. Okay. Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh and Pondicherry. They are the union territory in our country. So beta this chapter was over. So we will be in the next means on Friday we will send PDF of the lesson number 7th. Okay. Stay at home and be happy and do start a study also.